Hello sweet people, this is Aya, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful project. And before we start, please give this video a thumbs up. So let's get started. So the supplies I'm going to use, I'm going to use this dye by Fawn called Grassy Border. I think there are 2 sets and I put them in one, in one package. Then this dye by Fawn also called Wonderful Window. And last thing is Fairy Friends stamp set. So let me stamp this first. So I already stamped, all the elements. So now it's time to color. I'm going to use a color pencil because this is a rough paper. Usually I like to see this texture when you color with a color pencil. I'm not a fan of using smooth paper to color with a color pencil. Okay, so let's color together. So here is my color shades, some shades of blue, green, and some shades of silvers and grays. So let's get started. Okay everyone, so here is all my cute fairies. I fussy cut them. Next I have here all the colors I'm going to use to make my background, and I'm going to share all the colors. This is Distress Inks in a second. And here I'm going to die cut my window and my grass and also my panel. For my panel I'm going to use Ariel dyes. I'm going to leave the links and everything in the description box. So the first color I'm going to use, this is Temple Glass, and this will be my sky. So I'm trying to match the colors that I use to color the fairies to my background. And the second color I'm going to use is the second Distress Inks will be old paper, and I'm going to change the dauber because they are really old and it's really tiring when you try to blend the colors. So I switched to the brushes, makeup brushes, I don't know what you call them. Going back to the sky, to intensify the color. Next color I have here, this beautiful Twisted Citron. Yes, Twisted Citron. And the last one, or the last color, will be Mont Blanc. This is like a dark green. Again, taking the whole Distress ink, to intensify the blue color. After that, I'm going also to distress the grass, to give this interest. The more you distress the edges of any die cut, the more you're gonna get this interest or this beautiful look and the contrast between the two colors. So again, I used Maude alone. All my cardstock, they are Michael brand, yes. Checking everything, yes, it's good, but I need to die cut it again using what do you call it, RVL die, to have this wave look at the bottom, as you see here. So to add more interest and more dimension, I'm going to use foam tape. Now the fun part is to glue your elements. So I have here this beautiful house will be down there, the big window will be there. Then I'm going to distress the whole window with the temple glass ink, like give me this distressy look for the window. And I'm going to glue it using a liquid glue. I have this pen glue, I really like it, and a very strong adhesive. Okay, so I'm here adhering it. And now for the embellishment, I use this hearts from this jar die. Again, names will be in the description box. And I die cut the hearts out of glitter cardstock. And here playing and seeing where I'm gonna, adhere my fairies. And after, I settle with the look, so I'm going to use also square foam tape or any foam tape again for more dimension. And I'm going, to stick them here. After that, I'm going also to adhere the hearts using foam tape, so as if every fairy is holding a heart. So again, I die cut another window, to fill the gaps for my, the first window I have. And this is like, I will not say metallic, I don't know what's this color, but like a shiny one. And finally, I'm going to adhere my sentiment, this one from Tailored Expression, yes. The last thing, I'm going to use crystal, distress crystal drop, to add interest to my background, and clear one, to give this shine to the wings for the fairy. So this is my project for today. I hope you like it and get inspired. Please don't forget to give me the like. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.